Good morning, sir. My name is Iftakhar Ahmad, lab technician and in charge of Sero Diagnostic Center, Kannur City, Andhra Pradesh. I am using Dengue Day 1 test from J Mitra and Company since 10 years. Dengue Day 1 test product is very good, results are very accurate, patients are satisfied, and doctors are also satisfied. Thank you, J Mitra and Company.